Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra, so let's start with today's session on the topic how supply chains are changing the world. Supply chains are the backbone of the global economy, but they are also one of the strongest forces shaping society and the environment. Every product we use, food, clothing, electronics, or medicine, passes through a complex network of farms, factories, warehouses, transport systems, and markets. These networks directly influence poverty levels, working conditions, natural resource use, and climate change. This is why the Sustainable Development Goals cannot be achieved without transforming supply chains. When businesses integrate SDGs into supply chain decisions, sustainability moves from policy documents into daily operations. Now, understanding supply chains and their hidden influence. A supply chain includes every activity involved in delivering a product or service, from raw material extraction to final consumption and disposal. Each stage involves people, energy, water, and land. Poorly managed supply chains can result in labor exploitation, excessive waste, pollution, and inefficiency. On the other hand, responsible supply chains can improve livelihoods, reduce environmental damage, and create long-term economic value. Because supply chains often span multiple countries, their influence is far-reaching and deeply connected to global development challenges. Now, poverty reduction and food security in supply chains. Many supply chains begin in regions where poverty and food insecurity are common. Farmers, miners, and small suppliers often receive low and unstable incomes. By paying fair prices, offering long-term contracts, and reducing middlemen exploitation, businesses can support no poverty and zero hunger goals. Improved logistics and storage reduce food loss, ensuring that more resources reach markets and communities. Sustainable sourcing helps build resilient local economies instead of temporary profit-driven systems. People first, health, safety, and human rights. Workers are the foundation of supply chains, yet many face unsafe environments, long hours, and health risk. Supporting good health and well-being and decent work requires a strong occupational health and safety systems, fair wages, reasonable working hours, and access to health care. Eliminating child labor and forced labor is not only a moral responsibility, but also essential for legal compliance and brand trust. When workers feel safe and valued, supply chains become more reliable and productive. Gender equality and inclusive growth. Women play a critical role in supply chains, especially in agriculture, textiles, and manufacturing. However, gender inequality remains widespread, including wage gaps, limited leadership opportunities, and unsafe working conditions. Promoting gender equality means ensuring equal pay, safe workplaces, access to training, and leadership development for women. Inclusive supply chains are more innovative and better positioned to achieve sustainable growth. Responsible consumption, production, and innovation. Unsustainable production practices lead to excessive waste, resource depletion, and rising cost. Responsible consumption and production focus on using resources efficiently, reducing waste, and promoting recycling and reuse. Circular economy models, sustainable packaging, and demand-driven production helps minimize environmental impact. Innovation, supported by digital tools such as supply chain analytics and traceability systems, improves transparency and operational efficiency, aligning with industry, innovation, and infrastructure goals. Climate action through supply chain transformation. Supply chains account for a significant portion of global greenhouse gas emissions. Energy-intensive manufacturing, fossil fuel-based transport, and inefficient logistics contribute to climate change. Climate action in supply chains involves measuring carbon footprints, switching to renewable energy, optimizing transport routes, and sourcing materials locally where possible. Climate resilient supply chains reduce risk from extreme weather events and regulatory changes. Now, protecting ecosystems and biodiversity. Supply chains can either degrade or protect natural ecosystems. Deforestation, ocean pollution, and habitat destruction often occur due to irresponsible sourcing. By choosing sustainable forestry, responsible mining, and reducing plastic pollution, businesses support life below water and life on land. Protecting biodiversity ensures the availability of natural resources and maintains ecological balance essential for long-term business continuity. Now, ethics, transparency, and strong governance. Corruption, bribery, and lack of transparency undermine sustainable supply chains. Strong governance includes ethical procurement policies, supplier codes of conduct, regular audits, and transparent reporting. These practices support peace, justice, and strong institutions and build trust among stakeholders. Ethical supply chains protect companies from reputational damage and regulatory penalties. Now let's discuss about the partnerships that strengthen supply chains. No single organization can transform supply chains alone. Partnerships with suppliers, governments, NGOs, and technology providers are critical for achieving sustainable outcomes. Collaboration enables shared learning, cost sharing, and scalable solutions, supporting partnerships for the goals. Collective efforts drive faster progress toward SDGs. Now, supply chains as engines of sustainable development. The SDGs are not abstract global aspirations. They are embedded in everyday supply chain decisions. Each sourcing choice, contract, and shipment either contributes to sustainability or detracts from it. By integrating SDGs into supply chain management, businesses can reduce risk, enhance resilience, and create lasting value for people and the planet. Sustainable supply chains are not just good ethics, they are smart business strategies that shape a better future. Thanks for watching this detailed session. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such videos. Thank you.